Hi Braves, this is Ms. Hilburn here at Neesmith Elementary. I teach third grade math and science, and I'm excited to show you the wonderful and amazing Blooket. Some people call it Blooket. It is a game-based platform where you can host live reviews, or you can assign things that you have taught in class to your kids as homework, but in a game format. So one of the things in third grade that we go over is multiplication, and we all know that we want the kids to learn their facts. So one of the ways that I have my kids learn their multiplication facts is I go to Discover, search for a set, I type in multiplication facts, and all of these pre-made games pop up, and all I do is click on one. I go through and review it to make sure that it aligns to what I'm teaching. And there's two things I can do here. I can host the game, and when I host it, I can pick a game mode that I'd like to play. Right now, it is not loading the way I would like it to because it is buffering. But you can press host. And when you do, you get to decide how many minutes you want it to be. You can also decide if you want your children to have random names or if you want them to pick their names. I usually do random, or I'll have the kids put exactly what I want them to put as their name. Then you press host now for your students to look at, or you can copy this and then release it through securely. Another thing you can do is, if you don't have time to host it live, you can always assign it as homework. So what we can do right here is assign as homework. It'll ask you, like, what do you want the title to be? What is the goal or number of correct that you want your kids to get? And then you just press assign now. It'll tell you, like, this is how many correct they got once you assign it and the kids have it. Then you are going to copy the link. I always go to my classwork, my Google Classroom. I create an assignment. And then I post the link. And then it's there for them. All I have to do is click, and it pops up as homework for them, and they can play it as many times as they want within that due date. And they create their name, Miss H, and then they're allowed to play whatever game that I have chosen. So another thing you can do with Blooket is, if you don't want to assign homework, or you find that what other people have created isn't like aligning to what you're teaching or to the teach, you can always go and create your own Blooket. So multiplication facts. You can drop your own cover image. I usually don't. And then you can import it. So if there's something like you saw on Quizlet that you wanted to use, you can import it, or you can just create your own manually. Five times 4, and then you do your answers. 20, 15, 2, 5. And then you press save. Oh, sorry. And then it has been created, and all you have to do is save the set, and then you can assign it again as homework, or you can host it for your kids to play with. So that is Blooket, and it's an amazing, amazing resource. I absolutely love it. My kids look forward to it. So with all that being said, I truly hope that you can find a way to incorporate Blooket into your classroom as well. If you have any questions, please.